Well, my name is Imani. I am from Farmington Hills, Michigan, and I'm a 17-year-old singer-songwriter. I play guitar, I play ukulele, I'm trying to learn violin. Mostly my main thing is learning a lot of instruments and putting a lot of instruments behind me. The main thing about this competition is that since I'm so reliant on what I can do, I'm a songwriter, I'm a guitarist, but I've always been hesitant because since I surrounded myself with so many instruments, you kind of wonder if the voice that you have on your own is gonna hold up, is it good enough? So it's kind of like I'm being stripped from everything I know and focusing back on just my voice. I'd say one of my favorite artists would be Stevie Wonder. He is a genius, I'm not even gonna lie. I feel like the judges would pick me because I move people with my music. I've been told that I'm a very emotional and emotive singer. Ultimately, my favorite thing about performing is moving people, and that's what I hope to do.